Hey! I'm going to show you how to turn an A4 piece of paper into a square so that you can use it as a jumping off point for making origami. Yeah, okay, so I know what you're thinking. I'll just go like this and fold it and then I'll have a square, right? But if you don't want to have this diagonal triangle line through the middle, then there's another way. Super simple. 2 pieces of A4 paper. Line them up like this. Make sure that you're perfectly lined up along the edges. Knife is so much easier than scissors. Grab a ruler. Get as close to the edge of your paper as you can. Okay, so that's your white bit in a square. You want to keep these two together, so don't move them without being mindful. Flip it over. Again, just check that you're all lined up. Trim off the red. And now you have 2 perfect squares with no fold lines already in them.